Hi there. Finding the 5 best folding treadmill for running worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Sole Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. Treadmill users are certainly familiar with the Sole family of machines, and there's little surprise that our pick for best overall folding treadmill is the Sole F80. A great mid-range option between the F63 and F85, its high-quality components are designed for durability. And more importantly, it folds easily for convenient space saving. The foldable treadmill design of the F80 actually originated from the demand of hotels for a treadmill as mobile as a service cart, yet still stable and effective. Thus, the folding deck design Easy Assist was born. With a patented all-gear rack and pin system, complete with a safety lock which secures the unit in place when upright, the F80 allows users to simply release the deck, step back, and watch it effortlessly unfold itself in a vertical manner, as opposed to out flat. In addition to the screen, the unit has a built-in tablet holder and Bluetooth connectivity. All in all, quite a bit for a folding treadmill. Number 2. Our second best pick is Echelon Stride Folding Treadmills. With the ability to fold down to just 10 inches high, the Echelon Stride makes for easy storage. Featuring easy auto-fold technology, the folded dimensions are just 69.3 inches by 31 inches by 10.25 inches, with the unit popping upright to a height of 49.2 inches. The 156-pound frame is yet able to carry a maximum user weight of 300 pounds like other members of the Echelon family of fitness machines. The Stride comes with membership access to the Echelon Fit app, complete with a diverse range of programming spanning scenic runs to boxing, all led by top-notch instructors. That said, the machine is engineered to perform with fitness in mind. With speeds up to 12 miles per hour, the treadmill features 12 levels of incline up to 10%. The running surface measures 55 inches by 20 inches. Mechanically, the motor offers 2.50 horsepower at peak, with 1.75 chp. The Stride features an 18.5-inch touchscreen which displays calories, distance, incline, time, pace, pulse, speed, steps, and the unit's controls. Number 3. Our third best pick is Horizon Fitness Studio Folding Smart Treadmill. It's the more pocketbook-friendly brother of the top-rated 7.8 AT, and after its last refresh it wasn't all that difficult for the Horizon 7.0 AT to take position as our favorite budget buy. Its console is basic, as it's designed for users who want to run training apps on their iPad or tablet, just as much as for those who just want to throw on some music and get running. Like its bigger brother, its incline and drive motors adjust faster than much of its competition, making it a great option for those who love heat sprints. Its 3.0 chp motor is quite powerful, not to mention steady and quiet, and comes with a lifetime warranty. The 60 inches running deck is a bit longer than the standard 55 inches, making it a good choice for taller runners and those with a longer stride. It is offered with a lifetime warranty on its frame, 3 years on its motor, parts, and electronics, and 1 year on labor. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is 3G Cardio Pro Runner Folding Treadmill. This is a high-quality space-saving treadmill, meaning you can now do your exercise without taking over your entire living area. This treadmill has the best folding and storage dimensions, 40 liters x 35 W x 65 h inches. Beyond being space-saving, it will also give you a high-quality workout with a possible maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and 8 available built-in programs or 2 additional custom programs. It can incline up to 15%, and speed settings are controlled via one-touch buttons built into handles and combined with the great tracking functions of the LCD screen to create a unique running experience. This is a medium-expense machine great for users of every physical form. It can hold up to 350 pounds, and comes fully assembled to your door. All you need to begin is to attach the LCD screen, Plug in the magnetic key, and choose your preferred speed. The only complaint about this treadmill though is that you need to choose your running shoes carefully since you can slip off the track in some. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is XTERRA Fitness Folding Treadmill. It's a relatively cheap purchase for any users and will accompany beginning runners until they become expert athletes. But it might get tricky during the assembly. It has a large running surface that gives enough space for various exercises. The 5-inch LCD screen is easy to read and keeps the runner updated on speed settings, incline, time, distance, calories, and heart rate. This treadmill offers a speed range of 0.5 to 10 miles per hour with a smooth and quiet torque 2.225 horsepower motor. Additionally, the machine comes with preset speed settings for fast and easy control right from the get-go, along with an extra soft technology deck which provides points of support where your feet land for maximum impact absorption. It comes with 12 preset programs which offer a unique range of easy to hard runs with differing speeds and inclines. For any beginner to medium-level runner who can't get outdoors during the winter, or has less time to go out on runs, this treadmill will come in handy. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.